what it is and how big it is. It's just cold. I've just been super congested and my throat is killing me. But unfortunately, I had to go into work today. But on my way home, and I could feel a sneeze fit coming on, so I figured I would record and see if we could get anything. Ew. Well, there you go. Oh, God. Ow, that hurt. Ugh. I cannot breathe. Oh my God. I don't know if you can hear it, but I am so congested. It is driving me crazy. I am so over feeling like shit, and I wish that it would stop. Ew. Oh my God. Oh. I can't wait to get home and curl up in my bed and do nothing. That sounds absolutely incredible. I did not feel good at all. Ew. Ew. That was gross. Ugh. Ew.